Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh or kind of touch up my knotless box braids. Now for this video, you won't need too much. I'm just going to be using a edge control. You can also use like a gel, like Eco Styler gel, and then a little toothbrush or something to smooth down my edges. And then you're also going to need some clips just to kind of hold the hair back that you've already done and completed. So let's get into this video. Alright, so this is going to be the easy way, aka lazy way, or if you're in a rush, just how to freaking, just how to touch up your box braids. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back section to the back for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and just work with one of the sections that I left out. I'm going to clip that to the back. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and work on this side. I'm going to start with the small one and then work my way up. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Kaleidoscope Sleek Edges. As I said, you guys can use, this is what the packaging looks like, but you guys can use any type of edge control that you have, or Eco Styler gel, or gel that you have, and just use that to smooth it down. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of that and apply it to the roots and edges, and then just kind of smooth that into that section. I'm gonna go ahead and take that little comb, just kind of smooth everything down, and then I'm gonna go in with the brush side and I'm gonna go ahead and smooth it down even more. Kind of just brush that other side out of the way. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and twist and twist and just place it behind my ear. And then this is actually my baby hair, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that out. So that is the first one that we have done. I'm just going to go ahead and twist it and put it behind my ear for now. It's not really going to unravel. If you have the little metal clips, you can just go ahead and clip that, kind of like you were retwisting your locks or something. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to show you guys one more time and then kind of speed it up till I'm finished. I'm going to take my little tiny comb and just kind of smooth that down. If I see any hairs that are in the part that I can kind of fix, I'll go ahead and try and do that. But I don't want to like do too much. And I'm going to go in with that brush. I'm actually going to take a little bit more of that. And then just start twisting. You guys don't need to make it super tight because you don't want to pull out your edges. Just, you know, do it to however it's not like uncomfortable or unbearable to have. Twist it back. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to go ahead and speed the rest up. Alright, so far this is what that side is looking like. And you can see that my edges are really smoothed down, laid flat. So it's pretty simple to do. If you don't want to be walking around like this and looking all fuzzy and just want to touch up your hair really quick, it's pretty simple. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do this side. Okay, so right now I went ahead. So I finished retwisting the front part of my hair and then some of the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my clips out. take my bow out. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pull these to the back. Put it in a ponytail. And then I'm going to go over it with Eco Styler gel. You don't have to do this. You can just put on a scarf and then like leave it on there for a little bit. But I kind of want it to last. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of Eco Styler gel and then just put it on top of that edge control. I'm going to go ahead and tie it around my edges. And then I'm just going to leave that on there for a little bit, or you can sit under a dryer, whichever you want to do, just so it kind of sets. But I'm going to leave that there, and then I'm going to come back once it's dried. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf off. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Very cute. If you guys haven't seen my DIY knotless box braids tutorial, I'll go ahead and leave the link over here somewhere. And you can also be on the lookout for my next video where I go ahead and show you guys some different cute hairstyles you can do with your knotless box braids. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Very pretty. Very cute.